to you.
What's up guys, your boy Sam Hobbs, and today we have another video. So pretty much today this video is about the hashtag Save Marina Joyce drama that's been going on. And I'm just going to be giving my opinion on it. Do I think she's been kidnapped? No. I think she's got schizophrenia. I think that's what it's called, which is a disease that this is the effect. The effect is that I can't even remember. Oh god, this is gonna be such a bad video. It's like you can't understand what's real and what isn't. Something like that anyway, but yeah, I looked into it and yeah, I think that's what she's got. But in lots of her videos, people have been saying she's got bruises on her arms. People have been saying they can see reflections in her eyes of people with ski masks, and there's a gun in the background. But the gun is, I don't support that one, because in one of her other videos, I've been doing a lot of research. In one of her other videos, before she was acting all weird, that gun was used in one of her videos. It's a BB gun, so I don't support that. But take a look at this clip of where she is she seems to be distracted from her YouNow vlog, I think it was, YouNow live stream. But yeah, take a look at this. So how weird was that? Pretty much, I don't know what's happened to her really, but you know, yeah, I don't think she's been kidnapped, but yeah, the camera just fell. But anyway, it's been your boy Sam Hobbs, and peace out, like, subscribe. So yeah, I don't think she's been kidnapped, but the thing is, with these YouTubers, it's really hard to tell whether whether it's just a publicity stunt to gain more subscribers or if it's actually happening. But yeah, I don't think it's a publicity stunt. People have spoken to Marina Joyce and she's been saying like she doesn't know what's happened. It's just come out all of a sudden by some of her fans. But yeah, who knows? But pretty much no, I don't think it's a publicity stunt or anything. I just think it's just their fans. You know how fans can be, just making up things just to pretty much just whoever started this, you were an asshole, I tell you that. Bloody hell. But yeah, it's been your boy.